Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And my niche is drugstore. I love good affordable makeup. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So today I created this graphic liner or halo liner sort of situation. So if you want to get creative and if you want to create a blue look for festivals, this will be really good, festival appropriate look. So yeah, if you are interested in how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to take my Mars Take a Glow primer, and I know I have the Illuminati one also, but I usually prefer, I'm preferring this. That is really natural, but this is not that natural, so yeah. And I'm going to do my eyes first because I have a graphic liner sort of thing in my mind, and I don't want to ruin, my makeup. If that will turn out bad, I will remove it. So yeah. Okay, for starting, I'm taking this mauve shade on my crease. The look in my mind is like a mauve, crease, and then a blue graphic sort of liner. So yeah, I thought of experimenting with my look, so that's why I thought, why not just do this? And you can put brown in your crease as well. I have not set my lids. Okay, now I'm applying the blue liner. And I'm really bad at applying liners on camera, so I will try. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a very deep blue shade from this Mars palette, and we are going for a halo sort of liner. So I'm going to just deep, make this liner more deep. Okay, I'm really happy the way this has turned out. I'm going to now take this light blue shade. And we're having a lot of fallout, which is fine, and I'm just placing that blue in the center part of the liner. Okay, I'm not getting that intensity, so I will try to use my makeup fixer. Yeah, now you can see the pigment, and we will clean this all up later, no issues. But can we see the halo effect, like dark, light, dark? So yeah, I'm really happy the way this has turned out. That's why I did the eyes first. If I will not like it, I thought I will remove it, but I like it. Okay, so this is after both the eyes, and I have just I just took a little bit of the transition shade. Now as you can see, there is a lot of blue fallout, so I think I will clean that, and maybe I will apply my my base again. That's why I prefer doing such eye makeup first than any base. So I'm going to apply the glowy primer again, and for my base, I want to keep my base really light because already we have this much dramatic eye makeup, so I think the rest of the face should not look that much. So I'm going to take my skin tint. You can use your BB cream as well. So this is the Inside Cosmetics skin tint, and it is a really light coverage, like really light coverage foundation. So it's not going to cover that much, it's just going to make my skin even. So yeah. Beauty wali. So I'm taking the same Me Now concealer and just and this is a really brightening concealer on me. Plus the coverage is good, the blendability is good, and I really like it. This is also not that highlighting. I want a really highlighting concealer, and maybe I should have gone more lighter, but this is also nice. I will use I never use this side because I love this powder. Maybe I should use this. So since I have a highlighting concealer, why not just use a banana powder? So I'm going to just set my under eyes. And now this palette is, I think, 800 rupees, which is bonkers. When I bought it, it was 250 on sale, of course, but everything, price of everything is like skyrocketing these days. I don't know what the heck is happening. Okay, for rest of my face, I am setting my face with my Lakme powder. And as you guys know, this is my Project Pan powder, but there is no pan, still no pan. I use it daily. But since I have a dry skin, I set my face really, lightly. So maybe that's why there is no pan in it. But I have so many powders. How will I finish them? I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Now, oh my God, I have a cream bronzer to test out. Should I do that? Should I do that to myself? Okay. This is so tiny. It's charging and astronomical price. Maybe this packaging is really cool, but still the price and the quantity is so less. And you can see the bronzer shade is kind of a perfect bronzer on me, not too maybe a tad bit warm, but it is not that deep, so I think this will work. So if you have fair to medium complexion, you can try this. This is his foundation. इतने सा foundation कौन बनाता है? So this is his foundation, but there are deeper shades in it, so you can try the deep shade as contour. And I think this is a bronzer on me, not a contour by any means. So the product quantity is a joke, and price point is astronomical. I got it half off, otherwise I would have never bought it. But at least now I know that this brand is like, it's a joke. Like, the quantity is a joke, you guys. Seriously, I can easily put this in my project pan. For a project panel, this would be ideal project product to pan. But as a consumer point of view, this is a fairly new product, and if I will use it daily, and since it's a bronzer, you can use bronzer daily, without makeup also, this will be gone. And that my nose contour today is looking really natural, so the product is really good, really creamy, but the quantity is a joke. Like, only this much. Itni si foundation kaun lagayega? It's good as a bronzer only. We have that blush. Since we have a mauve eyeshadow, I will use my LA Color Ready Rouge brush, and it is so sad that this range is kind of discontinued. Why to make a really good product and discontinue it? I don't know, but this is not coming back to India, I think. And that's what I don't like about international makeup. Like, they will not launch or they will discontinue in India. I don't know. Everybody was buying this like hotcakes. These were selling like hotcakes, and now you cannot see them anywhere. Okay, now that we have a lot of blush, moving on to highlight, I'm going to use my Mars highlighter. I am obsessed with this one. This is so good. Like, brands like Manish Malhotra should look at this. So luxurious looking, such a good product, and the price is 250. Yep, and I bought it for 200 rupees. So I will recommend this over these highly expensive and boring brands. Okay, Lakme, Nykaa, and this My Glam also is so boring. Okay, so where is the efforts? Where is the innovation? You have a celebrity name, and that's it. That's it. Okay, we are done with the base. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the mauve shade and just ever so slightly run through my lower lash line. I want a pencil brush so bad, you guys. Whenever I order makeup, I forget to buy the pencil brush, which is really important. Okay. And this pencil brush is so bad, it poked my eyes. I was like, it's really stiff, and you should not apply something like that around your eyes, and I don't have any option. That's why I regret buying brush kits. I could have just bought the brushes that I need. Now I have so many brushes, but not that intricate detailing brushes. It poked my eye again. It's a very hard brush, but I don't have any other choice. Okay, so because of the pandemic, I'm doing my eyebrows by myself, and can you guys just see? I hope they are not looking that bad on camera, at least. For my lipstick, I'm going to use finally my Project Pan lipstick. First ever time I think I'm using this. I don't know why I don't use this. And this shade is so natural, such a pretty, nude shade. And I think I have this bronzer on my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. I really like the base, the eyes, of course, and it is a really different, thing. It's a very different look, at least for me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in the next one.